Today is Tuesday, April 26, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance of I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please stand for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Please post attendance. PST, all PST documentation should be current. If you have any students with yearbook money, please send them to see Miss Smith first thing in this morning. There are very few left. Please do not send students to the testing area until testing has concluded for the day. We will test this week to Tuesday through Friday until around lunchtime. April 25 through April 29, 4th grade science ACAP, a display week. April 26, math PLT archery showcase. May 2nd through the 6th, Teachers Appreciation Week. May 2nd, Wellness Clerk. May 5th, the Baking Drugs Bus, 5th grade. May 6th, School Lunch Hero Day. May 9th, SWIT, 4th grade. May 9th through 11th, already diagnostic K through 5. May 10th, Vision Research on Cappers. May 11th, Graduation Walk at Kate Shepherd for 2022 MCPSS Centuries. May 11th, Natural School Nurse Day. May 12th, Spring Picnic. More details to come. May 8th, PST. May 19th, Math PLT. End of the year, already reading diagnostic. Monday, May 9, Tuesday, May 10, Wednesday, May 11. AR Stupid Stars for completing their AR goal. Curd, Ambly S.
Good afternoon, teachers and students. We hope you had a fantastic first day back from your spring break.
Lily,
Teachers at this time may bring your best riders to the gym.
Lee CP, Mariah G, Waller, Blank D, C Kim, Max P M, Skylar Matt Blinks, Rich Wolf, Kennedy Brown, Naomi Howell, Herndon O. That is all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday.